Traders will be watching again today for the potential of more breakouts in the stock market and new record highs. Let's bring in the biggest bull on our show, Alan Knuckman. He's the Chief Market Strategist at bullseyeoption.com. Alan, what do you have for us today?
Hello, Angie. What a week it was. Mentally, but nothing new. The trend did not end.
What's happening technically and fundamentally in the stock market?
All of the fundamentals and technicals are very positive, and they have been for a long time. Now, at some point, you may see some profit-taking pullbacks, and it's important to see how the markets react from here. But obviously, the trend is our friend.
What's your trader thought about not getting too caught up in the hype and still keeping your eyes on the prize of buying stocks at the right price? You especially like to buy stocks that are at a rock bottom price when you can.
It's more important now to identify good risk-reward candidates, stocks that maybe have suffered and not participated in this big boom rally. So it's going to be a little harder to find those diamonds in the rough.
What's your new trade?
All right, the stock I'm looking at is Schlumberger. Schlumberger made a double bottom here. It's been between 40 and 45 for 3 months. A breakout of this range targets 50. We're sitting at about 44 right now. But in the bigger picture, it's been trading between 40 and 50 for 7 months. So 50 is the range top. So if it gets back about 45, it should pop to the range top.
What else can you tell us about your trade of the day?
The way to play here, I also want to point out before I forget that it's got a PE of 14. So it's still an inexpensive stock compared to the rest of the market. Obviously, the energy equation is a question right now. But again, the lesson we learned from last week is to trade what you see and not what you think. And I'm seeing a bullish divergence here where it made new lows, a double bottom, and not new highs in implied volatility. That's a very positive sign. We've talked about that over and over and over again to see a sentiment shift. And also the money flow into this stock.
Let's get your options trading strategy for Schlumberger.
The way to play, I'm looking at a March 40 call. March option has 4 months of time. The 40 call is about $4 in the money. It's trading for about $5.50 right now. So you've got time for development and a modest move just back to the range top at 50. This option doubles in value.
Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.